Well, y'all missed the most of it because we're stupid.
What's this wheat shit?
I don't have a turd in my pocket.
Yeah, fucking don't. It's your shot.
This is how it's been all morning, only worse.
Because you won't fucking listen to me.
Yet we still get shit done. It's like a government shutdown and still things are happening.
Isn't that amazing?
We're installing a jackhole. He's installing a jackhole because I finally got him to do something. And all he's going to do is go in the bathroom and play with himself. This is a short jackhole that I made on the lathe. I didn't realize it was inadequate. And we've got another jackhole. Happens to be right here. Not that much bigger, but fully adequate. I think we're just going to stick it here. Might have to cut that one off. But jackhole, so you know. I was telling them, I was educating them on what a jackhole is. Don't quit pointing at me. What are you doing now?
I'm thinking. Shut up.
Ouch. Do you need a beanie to hold your head together? What are you doing? You're not going to try to cut it off with that, are you?
Yep. Most of it.
I'd just put one in front of it and call it good.
I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to do it right.
It's not ours. I just grind off a spot up front here and put it there, closer to the front. And a jack will slip right by it. I'll bet you what. Watch, if we put it right here. Right over that hole. Ain't gonna hit it.
All right, fine.
I'm just saving you some steps. I don't want to be here all day.
But you will be.
More than likely. I don't want to be on this stupid little fucking project
You know what you
all
could be
day.
doing while you're just fucking around doing? Fuck off.
Okay.
Get the extension cord for the welder.
I can do that. There's things that I won't fuck up, and that's one. Oh. You're never gonna believe this.
You broke it.
Nope, I didn't fuck that up. But I did plug in my water heater. And my extension cord wasn't plugged in. You knew you'd never believe it.
So you, cord's back there.
You just said get the extension cord.
And plug the welder in.
I don't think you said anything about plugging the fucking welder in. But you know, it's not that big a deal. Since you're crying.
Evidently it is.
Crying. Everything up like this around here. All right, you have power. Unless something went to shit from between here and there with the rip off.
It happens.
I've seen it. I've seen a perfectly good run in the car, could pull in the shop and go out running like shit. And I didn't do nothing with it.
You're probably right.
But I did think about that a little bit the other day. I think they're synchronized. I can synchronize something.
You know it helps a lot.
If you turn it on,
Yeah. I thought you did that already.
you didn't hear the fan running.
But that's my fault, because
I agree.
fucking thinking you'd do something.
Still your fault.
Yep. know the most amazing part about the whole thing? It took longer to get all this shit over here to get set up than it did to do it.
Well, that's usually how most of the welding jobs around here go. That's why it pisses me off when I gotta dig shit out to do a 5-minute job and it takes me an hour to dig shit out. Damn it! You installed the jackhole wrong. Can't believe you didn't install it higher, so I'm upset. That's not it. That'll work good. That's better than what we had. I don't need to have a jack stand.
I still would.
What? Why?
As much weight goes in this thing, bitch.
Most of it's back there. You want me to do that for you?
Somebody put the chain on the wrong side.
Wasn't me. That jack came that way. Jackhole installation.
All right, Swift driver.
I can go forward.
Yeah, shit. Run into shit.
Oh, he's like this.
Why am I like that? Have you met you?
I'm pretty. Outstanding. That's where we'll end up.